Are you thinking about selling your car? It's a big decision, and getting the maximum value for your vehicle is crucial. In today's video, we'll guide you on how to determine the right time to sell your car and share some pro tips to help you get the best deal possible. So, let's dive in. Tip 1. Consider mileage. Before putting your car on the market, consider the mileage. High mileage can significantly impact your car's value. Potential buyers often prefer vehicles with low mileage as they generally indicate less wear and tear. If your car has high mileage, it may be wise to sell it sooner rather than later. Tip 2. Assess the condition. Take a good look at your car's condition. Are there any noticeable dents, scratches or mechanical issues? If your vehicle requires extensive repairs or has visible damage, it's important to consider the cost of fixing it versus its potential value on the market. In some cases, selling it earlier, even at a slightly reduced price, may be more beneficial. Tip 3. Gather maintenance records. Maintenance records play a significant role in determining the right time to sell your car. Regular servicing, timely repairs, and well-documented maintenance history can enhance your vehicle's value. Buyers are often willing to pay a premium for a well-maintained car with a clean record. So, gather all your maintenance records before listing your vehicle. Tip 4. Research the market. To get the maximum value for your car, it's essential to research the market. Look for similar models, make note of their prices, and compare them to your vehicle's current worth. Online platforms and car valuation tools can provide you with valuable insights into the market value of your car. This information will help you set a realistic and competitive asking price. Tip 5. Timing is everything. When it comes to selling your car, timing is everything. Keep an eye on market trends, such as seasonal fluctuations or new model releases. For example, selling a convertible during the summer months might fetch a higher price, as demand tends to be higher. Stay informed and seize the right moment to maximize your car's value. Tip 6. Master the art of negotiation. Finally, once you've found a potential buyer, it's crucial to negotiate effectively. Be prepared to negotiate the price, but also consider other aspects such as payment terms, transfer of ownership, and any additional requests from the buyer. A successful negotiation can help you secure the best deal and ensure a smooth transaction. Selling your car at the right time can make a significant difference in the value you receive. By considering factors such as mileage, condition, maintenance records, market research, timing, and negotiation skills, you can maximize your car's worth. Remember, being well-informed and proactive will help you achieve the best results. Thanks for watching.